Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview Natural Chemistry Spa pH Decreaser. What is Natural Chemistry Spa pH Decreaser? Natural Chemistry's Spa pH Decreaser lowers the pH of water in spas. Spa water should be maintained between a pH of 7.2 and 7.6. When pH is too high, above 7.6, water becomes uncomfortable to bathers, sanitizers lose their efficiency, water may become cloudy, and scale forms more readily. Product benefits: lowers pH in the spa and hot tub water. When pH is too high, water becomes uncomfortable to bathers, sanitizers lose their efficiency, and water may become cloudy. Usage directions. Step 1. Test spa water for pH level. Step 2. Compare pH test results to chart on bottle to determine the appropriate amount of Natural Chemistry Spa pH Decreaser necessary to make an adjustment. Step 3. With the spa not in use and the circulation pump operating, add the required amount directly into the spa water. Continue circulating water for a minimum of 30 minutes. Step 4. Retest and adjust if necessary. Dosage. If pH 7.6 to 7.8, add 1/2 tablespoon per 200 gallons of water. If pH 7.8 to 8.0, add 3/4 tablespoon per 200 gallons of water. If pH 8.0 to 8.4, add 1.5 tablespoon per 200 gallons of water. If pH above 8.4, add 2 tablespoon per 200 gallons of water. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.